Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I am going to be doing my eye makeup for work. Of course I'm not doing the rest of the makeup because I don't want to break out and I have to wear a mask. So I am going to be using this 35C Everyday Chic from Morphe. Just to let you know, again, my name is Kristen. I am a makeup enthusiast, a colorful makeup enthusiast. I did challenge myself to post a video every single day until next year on February 5th. Why February 5th? Because that is my birthday and that is the day I am turning 40 years old. And that is basically to see my evolution in makeup, because I'm still pretty new to makeup. I've only really been into it for about the past year and a half, maybe, I want to say now. So I do hope you do decide to come on this journey with me by hitting the subscribe button. If nothing else, please just give this video a like. It really helps my channel out and get seen by more people. I also have a giveaway going. I'm going to put that up there in the corner, so you should check that out as well. Many good things. But yeah, so I'm just going to do my eye makeup. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I chose this because it's neutrally, but has some nice sparkles as well. So we're just going to get on into this. This is probably too big, but this is the first brush I grabbed, and this is a Sigma. This is an E40 tapered blending brush. These are very, very nice brushes. I'm so glad that I picked these up. So I'm probably going to, again, not do much, because I'm going to work. I just want to make my eyes look pretty. So I think I'm going to take this color right here and just put it all over my lid, and I believe that's called Getting Ready, and I'm getting ready now. And we will see how this palette performs. So it was really nice yesterday. I did get to see my mom and my sister and her boyfriend and my brother and his family, which is my nephew, 3 nephews, and my sister-in-law, also named Kristen. Actually, Kristen Marie, we have the same exact name. Hilarious. But yeah, I basically ended up giving my sister a lot of makeup. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know I do get a lot of subscription boxes. And I mean, I still have plenty over here that I need to unbox from back when I wasn't making videos. But I basically ended up giving my sister, if you went by retail value, I probably gave her about $1,000 worth of stuff. I mean, that's pretty crazy. Like, that's just how much I had. And some of it was stuff that I had already set aside, like I never showed or anything. Or, you know, they were from boxes from last year that I just didn't do videos on. That's part of the reason why I decided to do a video a day, because trying to make one video a week was hard, but somehow making one video every day, it's like I have so many ideas and I don't have time to make them because I got other stuff to do, like I work, or, you know, just doing stuff around the house. Okay, but anyway, so I put this like all over my crease, which is not my crease, but I have super duper hooded eyes, so it's above my crease so that it can actually be seen. So let's put that brush down. Let's go for another random brush here. No, I don't like you. What is this? This is an unnamed, oh, Luxie 209 large shader. It's very dirty. I don't know what happened in there. This must have been one of the ones that was in like my work bag or something. So what am I going to do next? I kind of want to do like this purple shade here. What is that? That is Playtime. We'll see. Yeah, we'll try this. So this is like a flat type of brush, but like kind of poofy. I don't know. Don't ask me. Oh, and I do have an ABH primer on already. I did film that, but I actually had a heater on in here, and the heater is very loud, and I just forgot to turn it off, so I'm like, God damn it. Oh, I think this was a good choice. They look nice together. I always wonder how well these can be seen on the video. Anyways, I see it and it looks nice. So I guess that's all that matters, right? So if you've seen my previous video, also videos, you know that my poor doggo, I had to take him to the vet because he had a freaking impacted anal gland. My poor little guy. But, you know, luckily it didn't rupture or anything. The crazy part is we were supposed to go down south Indiana to a memorial for his uncle. My husband's Uncle Dan died, unfortunately. Not due to the panini. I'm not monetized. I can say pandemic, but I love the way that people are using all sorts of other words like panini to say it, to talk about it. But anyways, yeah, it's actually very good that we didn't go down because we had been talking about it and we said, yeah, we can go down. We can leave the dogs for one day. We can put pee pads up in the house. Just leave a whole bowl of dry food. And now we're like, oh my God, what if we had left? What if we had left and the dog ended up with this thing, and what if it ruptured? Like, our dog's 12 years old. Johnny's 12 years old. He doesn't look 12 years old. He doesn't act 12 years old, but like, he's still 12 years old. Like I said, it's just amazing how things work out. So anyways, I'm just putting this kind of underneath, darkening this up. I think this was a very good choice. Of course, if you have hooded eyes, you gotta kind of do this with your eyes open, because otherwise stuff's bound to disappear. I think I'm just gonna kind of lightly put this all over the rest of the lid, and then maybe dab some glitter glue. I'm gonna darken up the outer corners. Maybe I'll use an even darker color to do that, but yeah. Okay. Looking cute so far. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna complain about that. Looking cute. Okay, so yeah, glitter glue. I know I just put that away. There we go. I think I'll just dab this with my finger. Tiniest little bit. Like this NYX glitter primer, like, it looks small, but it will last forever. I'm just taking this little itty bitty amount on my finger. I'm just gonna like dab this in the middle and inside, not very far up at all. And then let's see what color I'm going to do. There's a lot of nice shimmery colors in here. Oops. I just totally stuck my finger in one of them. So there's this color right here, this color right here, but there's a pink as well. And then there's these two colors down here. There's gold. I don't really want to do gold. I'm just going to go for this one. It's actually not very... It's a lot lighter on my finger than it is in that pan. Alright, let's see. Moment of truth. Wow, that is so much lighter than it is in the pan. Cool. Well, that works out nicely. And now let's do the other side, and of course I'll put something in my inner corner too. Again, just taking a little tiny bit of the NYX glitter glue. Put it in the middle and inside corner. And then I will probably record a video after this showing off my Ulta haul. I know people are ordering from the Sephora sale, but I didn't keep up with that. And I don't really order from Sephora anyways. I don't live near one. I don't know if I've ever ordered from one. I know last year, was it even the year before, I went and bought the Jeffree Star thing, but of course we don't talk about, or at least I'm not gonna I'm not gonna post it on the description or tags or anything, but I just don't support the brand anymore, so whatevs. If you do, I don't care. It's just the only way you'll see it on here is if it's like listed as an unnamed product if I'm using it. So that's all I'm gonna say. Not for me. I ended up giving one of my sisters. I only have one sister. I ended up giving my sister my unused Bloodlust palette because I had bought two. Because I thought I really wanted the one color in there, the Executioner color, but it ended up being really shitty, which is sad. And then also there's like a dupe for it basically in the Bambi palette, the purple Bambi palette from ColourPop, so is what it is. It still doesn't work great. Anyways, okay, so that's basically it. I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to get a smaller brush and do the inside corners. And now we do have this color, and we do have this color that I can put on the inside corner. Ooh, that one's nice. So we got, they're both very, very nice and shimmery. I think I'm going to take this one though. And that one is Cheers to You. And then this is just like a pencil brush. This is also a Luxie 217 pencil brush. I'll probably use the same brush to do the lower lash line. So it's not very intense, but you know, a little bit of color for work, which is nice. Not intense, but it's there. Now I do have some greens in this palette. I could do some greens on the lower lash line. Yeah, maybe I'll take that one. No, I'm gonna go with the brown. Play it safe. I'm gonna go with this brown, and that is OU. I'm gonna put that in the outside corners. There we go. I'm going to take that purple I used before, the Playtime one, and do that on the more inner area. And I already have sparkles all over the rest of my face, even though I used the glitter primer. That's funny. Okay, I'm just going to kind of blend this in with that brown. Neat. Okay, maybe I'm just going to take some of that brown and just deepen out. See if I can deepen the outer corner a little bit. It doesn't look like it's doing much. That's fine. Okay, yeah, it did. It did darken up a little bit. Nice. Okay, cool. Cool, cool. Alright, I'm going to do everything else and come back. Okay, so this is the completed look. This is, again, using the 35C Everyday Chic Hooded eyes. Anyways, I did finish up my eyes and my eye area. I did use this Brow Bar by Rima, but this is in dark, and I think I got dark because I had previously said I had black hair, but now I've let it go back to like blondish. I still need to like use the color Oops on the back part of my hair because it's still really like darker, but yeah, I have naturally actual blonde hair. So I tried this. It's just a little too warm for my brows, but then I used this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics. And then for my actual eyes, I did use a blue liner on the bottom. This is a ColourPop Cream Gel Liner, and this is in the color Prance. I did get like a whole little vault collection of ColourPop liners. And then for my actual eyelashes, I use this Milani, the Violet One Lash Primer. And then I use a new mascara, well, new to me. This is Milk Makeup Koosh Waterproof Mascara. And this is a heavy bitch. I have so many mascaras, but I've been just kind of hoarding them, letting them stay there in my drawer, but I need to use them because otherwise they're just going to go bad. So I may as well just use them, try everything I have because I get them in subscription boxes anyways. So that's my look. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to work today, so you're going to see this actually while I am on my second day of work. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you have this palette, let me know what you think of it. If you have videos using that palette, I would love to see them. Please link them down below in the comments. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing my on my finger, and this is what we got going. And I should really turn this fan off. Damn. Cut.